And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us these 2.5-inch hard drive enclosures. Inside of this box is a hard drive enclosure that would allow you, it said for the box, to take a 2.5-inch drive and turn it into an external storage drive. So for example, an SSD could fit right into here and then become an external SSD using the included USB-C cable. Short little USB cable, USB 3.0. Nice little instruction guide. A little sticky pad there, which can help depending on the size of the drive. And then basically your hard drive would slide right into here and sit in place. And then you just put your top back on. No screws or nothing needed. And then just plug in your USB-C cable, plug it into your computer, and you have an external drive. This would work with a regular hard drive as well as an SSD, as long as it's a 2.5-inch drive, which is normally found in laptops or smaller desktops. It would work with this external drive enclosure. So thanks again to this company for sending this to me to unbox and explain to you. And we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.